Good morning children. Welcome back to online classes. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe in your home. So children, previous class we have discussed about the major city in India, correct? And in that first lesson we discussed Delhi and Mumbai. Delhi is the capital city of India and Mumbai is the capital city of Maharashtra. So this both city we have discussed in the previous classes. Jana children? So today's class children, I will take one more new lesson in the same unit, that is the major cities in India. Second lesson, Kolkata and Chennai. Clear children? So today I will start the one more major city in India, that is the Kolkata. First we discussed about the Kolkata. Okay children, what is that? Kolkata. Kolkata is the capital city of the state of West Bengal. Okay children, Kolkata is the capital city of the West Bengal. It is the capital of West Bengal. So Kolkata is the capital city of the West Bengal. Okay children, Kolkata and Chennai. Kolkata and Chennai are metropolitan cities. They are the metropolitan cities located in the east and south of India. They are located in the east and south of India. So Kolkata is the third. Kolkata is the third populous metropolitan area in India. So first to understand children, what is the meaning of metropolitan? Metropolitan area. Okay children, we'll understand first meaning. What is the meaning of metropolitan area? It is also called the metropolis. P-O-L-I-S. Metropolitan is also called the metropolis. Clear children? It is the major cities. Kolkata is the major cities exercises are commanding economic and social influences. Clear children? So it is called the metropolitan area in India. That means is what? Metropolitan means it is belonging to tropical of a large busy city. Okay children, so what is the meaning of metropolitan? It means that belonging to tropical of a large busy city in India. It is a large busy city in India. So it is the third most populous metropolitan area in India. What is the meaning? Very busy city. Clear children? Belonging to tropical of a large city, busy city. How the Bangalore is also the metropolitan city, because Bangalore also very busy city. Yeah, children. So Kolkata is the third most populous metropolitan area in India. Clear children? People living in Kolkata and almost all the people will speak the language that is a Bengali. So language is what that? They speak the language that is a Bengali. Which language they will speak, children? In Kolkata, they speak the Bengali. Okay, children. Now all are clear what is the metropolitan meaning? Metropolitan area means what it is? It is a major city exercises commanding in economic and social influences. It is also, it means the belonging to or tropical of a large busy city. So it is called the metropolitan area or city in India. So Kolkata is the capital city of the West Bengal. Bengali language is spoken in the Kolkata. Okay, children? Children, here you can see that this is a Kolkata in India map. Here you can see the West Bengal, the capital city of the West. Here you can see, children, Kolkata is located on the eastern bank of the river Hooghly. River Hooghly, a distributary of the river Ganges. So Ganga river flow from here and it is the distributaries of the river Ganga. So children, here you can see the port of Kolkata is India's oldest functional port. Port means what? Where all the ships are standing. Just you can see, children, Kolkata port. So children, Kolkata has a coastal climate with the summer season. It is the hot summer and the cool in the winter because the Kolkata is in the coastal side. I have shown the map. See, here is the Kolkata. Can you see that? So it is the coastal line. Kolkata has the coastal climate. Coastal climate means what? With the hot summer and the cool winter. Clear, children? Kolkata gets the hot and humid summer from the March to June. Okay, children, see, March to June only they get the summer and that is also the humid and hot. Clear, children? And it receives the heavy rain. Why it receives the heavy rain? Because Kolkata is located near to the coastal area. So it gets the heavy rainfall during the monsoon season. So monsoon means what, children? Rainy season. So it's get the heavy rainfall. Okay, children? So they get the heavy rainfall in the monsoon seasons, which begins in June and goes up to the September. It begins in the June and goes up till the September. Clear, children? Kolkata have the short winter. It's get the very short winter. Clear, children? That is the 2.5 months. Only 2.5 months it's get the winter. So winter gets only 2.5 months. That is a month from December to February only, children. Okay. So what about the climate of Kolkata? Summer is the hot and humid climate, and monsoon, in the monsoon, that is the rainy season. In the rainy season, it gets the heaviest rain city gets its name. This city, Kolkata city, gets its name from the term Kalika Devi. How it get the name Kolkata? The name of Kalika Devi. Goddess is no? Yes. Kalika Devi. Okay. So, Calicut, the term. The city gets the name of the term. I will write here. The city gets the name of term Calicut. Okay, it is not Kalika Devi. It is the Calicut, which is the thought to be a variation of, in the Bengali term meaning is the field of goddesses Kali. Just now I said no, Kalika Devi. So the Kolkata got the name of Calicut. That meaning is what? In the Bengali, the Calicut meaning is field of the goddesses Kali. What is that? Field. Field of the goddesses Kali. Okay. Kalika Devi temple is say no. Kalika Devi, yes. So in the term of Calicut, now we got the Kolkata. In the Bengali meaning is, Calicut meaning is field of the goddesses Kali. Clear children? So in the Kolkata there is a numbers of places are there, which is the very famous for the tourists. Nowadays it became the tourist spot. The tourists will visit and they enjoy by seeing that all the places. So some important places also is there in the Kolkata, like the Indian Museum, Howrah Bridge, then Victoria Memorial, Writers Building. So like that numbers of places is there in the Kolkata, which becomes the very famous, and it is also called the tourist spot. Clear children? Now we will go to the history of Kolkata, why it is the very famous and which are the important places, which are the historical places. Clear children? Now we will go to the history of Kolkata. Here you can see the Kolkata city. So this is the Kalika Devi temple. The city gets its name from the term Calicut, which is thought to be variation of a Bengali term meaning is field of the goddesses Kali. See the Kalighat Kali. See, so beautiful. This temple is very beautiful, children. Now children will see the important places in Kolkata. First is the Indian Museum. Just you can see it is too big. Indian Museum founded by the Asiatic Society of Bengal. This museum is the largest in the Asia Pacific region. So here you can see children inside of the museum. This is all the skeleton. You can see here this museum is very beautiful. Numbers of things we can see children here. The next important place is that is a Howrah Bridge. Just you can see children, Howrah Bridge. It is a daytime. The Howrah Bridge is one of the busiest bridge in the world, built on the river Hooghly. It forms an important gateway to the city. See, it is the night time. See, it looks very beautiful in the night also, which is built on the river Hooghly. This is the Howrah Bridge. So next important place is Victoria Memorial. You can see, children, this image. This landmark of Kolkata was built to commemorate the 25 years reign of Queen Victoria over India. See that how they constructed. It is a perfect blend of Mughal and British architecture. Just see that wall. This all in the time of Mughal and the British. So next important place in Kolkata, you can see the Writers Building. So now it is office, government office it is, where the government function. It was the first three-storied building designed by the British in 1777. See the design. So next important place is Birla Planetarium. It was built in 1963 and it was inaugurated by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. Just you can see, children, inside of this building. See, it looks very beautiful inside also. So this is the Birla Planetarium, which is inaugurated by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who is the first Prime Minister of India, children. Just now we have saw the images of the important places in Kolkata. Now next we will see the children interesting tourist places in Kolkata. So in that first is there Sundarbans National Park, where we can see the varieties of animals and the birds. You can see, children, this board. So tourist comes here to see these all beautiful animals and birds. It is located Sundarbans, the largest delta in the world. It is the habitat of Royal Bengal tiger and the cheetahs or spotted deer. As you can see, the Royal Bengal tiger. And next you can see the spotted deer. See the beautiful birds you can see in this park. So children, it is also home to rare birds like the brown-winged kingfisher, swan, grey-headed lapwing, mangrove, whistler and the many other exotic birds we can see in this park. So children, next tourist place you can see in Kolkata, that is Eden Garden. The Eden Garden is the largest cricket stadium in India and is regarded as one of the most remarkable stadium in the world. See children, it is a cricket stadium. See from far how it looks. It is the Eden Gardens. So next tourist place, that is the Botanic Garden. Here you can see children, it is established in 1786 by Colon Alexander, is the oldest botanic garden in India. See children, it's so beautiful. So the tourists attract and they come from the other state and to enjoy by seeing this all the beautiful places. So this is the Botanic Garden, which is the very oldest botanic garden in India. See that with the plants only, with the leaves, they made so beautiful statues. So these are the some interesting tourist place in Kolkata: Sundarban National Park, Eden Garden and Botanic Garden. Now next we will see the children, life of the people. Before that children, I want to tell you, listen children, the Botanic Gardens star attraction is the 240 years old banyan trees. Just you can see, this tree is 240 years old. So it is the attraction for the tourist, which reaches up to a height of 24.5 centimeter and has a circumference of 420 meter. Just you can see 250 years old banyan tree, which is the star attraction. Now children, next we'll see the life of the people, how they celebrate the function, festival, everything we will see very detailed. Children, here you can see the Kolkata is the very famous to bursting with festivals and the events they will enjoy. It's a very happily and joyfully. Just you can see, they celebrate the cultural programs also very grand. Here you can see children, the religious festival, how they will celebrate by wearing the traditional saris. They will celebrate the festivals. See the Saraswati Puja. See the Holi. See the dishes they prepare in the festival. Sweet meats like sandesh and rasgulla are very famous in Kolkata. This is the traditional dress they wear in the cultural programs. Here you can see, children, Kolkata is equally known for its famous saris also, that we say the Kolkata sari. See the way they are wearing the sari, it looks very beautiful and pretty. So here you can see the sweets prepared in the festivals. It's all Bengali dish, children. It's a Sandesh sweet, children. So Kolkata is famous for Rasgulla and Sandesh sweet. So children, this is the life of the Kolkata people. They are bursting with festivals and events and the cultural programs. Hence, this city is also called the cultural capital of the country. Football is a passion of the city. It is also famous for its saris and sweets. Now children, we will see the famous personalities of Kolkata. So first image you can see Rabindranath Tagore, a Nobel laureate and the literary writer. He awarded with the Nobel Prize. Next image you can see the Mother Teresa, who worked for the poor people. Next is the Subhash Chandra Bose, freedom fighter. Next is the Bajendri Pal, the first Indian woman and the fifth woman in the world to scale the Mount Everest in 1984. Next famous personality is Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose, great scientist. Next is Swami Vivekananda, great writer and philosopher. Next is Amrita Sen, who is the famous economist. So these are the some famous personality we see in the Kolkata. Rabindranath Tagore, Mother Teresa, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bajendri Pal, Shri Jagdish Chandra Bose, Swami Vivekananda. So children, Kolkata is also known for its 9-day festival of Durga Puja. See, this festival they will celebrate the 9 days. This Durga Puja they will celebrate with much enthusiasm, love and excitement. See, the people are enjoying by doing the dance in Durga Puja. You can see how they are dancing. So it is also known for its 9-day festival of Durga Puja. So children, this is about the Kolkata city. We saw the numbers of images. I hope you will enjoy it by seeing that all those images. The next class, children, I will explain the one more major city in India, that is Chennai. So till that I will stop here only. The same thing I will continue in the next class. Thank you, children.